I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the image and preparing the canvas so nothing shifts later. Once open, pick the text tool. This is where you type. Choose a font that matches the image mood and set size between 24 and 72 pt for typical screens. Make sure to set resolution based on output. 72 dpi for web, 300 dpi for print. You should also create a new text layer so edits don't affect the original image. Now type your copy and position roughly where it should sit. Once your text is placed, refine how it reads on the image by adjusting alignment and line height. This improves legibility and visual flow. You'll want to check contrast, dark text on light areas or vice versa, so the words pop. If contrast fails, add a semi-opaque shape behind text or a subtle drop shadow. Both help. Make sure to tweak opacity and blend modes for harmony and nudge the text with arrow keys for pixel-perfect placement. Finally, group or lock the text layer to preserve layout. You finish by saving both an editable version so you can edit later and an exported file for sharing. Export PNG when you need transparency and JPEG for photos using quality 80 to 100%. Make sure export dimensions match your target. If text looks blurry after export, check resolution and anti-aliasing settings. Make sure you export it at 100% scale, not 50%. Lastly, if layers vanish, verify visibility and that you flattened or retained layers intentionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.